I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing. Go.
Hello you all, how are you doing? Hope you are fine. Today we have with us the Ant Esports GP300 Pro V2 wireless gamepad. This is a made in India gamepad with made in India tag on it. And we bought this from Amazon on offer price for only 1250 rupees. So let's open it and see. Now as you can see, this is a version 2 and this is one of the more recent versions. So immediately right off the box we have the unit itself. Well, it's actually a little bit smaller than I expected it, but it feels sturdy on the hand, and the buttons are also quite sturdy enough. I mean, I think it's good value for the money that we are paying for it. Then we have the instruction manual, the user manual, and the warranty card as usual. Then some cardboard to keep the things all in place. Then we have the charging cable. It's actually quite nice because the charging cable seems to be a little bit longer than what you would have generally expected. Then you have the Ant Esports Welcome to Ant Esports card. There's the OTG cable, which is a USB to micro USB, so that you can connect the dongle on your phone and game right away. And then there's this 2.4 gigahertz USB dongle, so that it connects with your Android TV or laptop or your gaming thing, whatever it is. Okay, that is it.